Alright guys, I'm doing a review of these golden banana plantain chips. I saw these on sale and I wanted to try them out, so I've never had plantains before. I know they're in the family of bananas, but yeah, I've never had them before, so I'm gonna try them out. If you look at the ingredients, canola oil and sea salt and plantains. So, alright, let's try it out. Okay, so it smells nothing like a banana. It just smells like, just more like, what's the word, like a starch. That's pretty much what it smells like. So let's do a quick taste test. Actually pretty good. Just like a really, this kind of bland, more of like doughy sort of taste to it, like a starch. Other than that, it's not bad. It's really good. Definitely check it out. They are crunchy. Yeah, pretty neutral, I would say, in taste. So, all right. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below. Subscribe to the channel.